Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about the different type of innovative ideas using in lessons. Using these types of innovative ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful and in a friendly and in a creative environment. This innovative ideas directly connects with the real life experience and the day-to-day life activity, so it makes the most curiosity and a real life environment among the students to learn in a joyful manner. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board, classes third, and the subject is EVS, and the lesson name is Food We Eat. The innovative idea used in this lesson is theme-based attendance. This Food We Eat is the lesson which tells and which describes about the different types of eating practices, food practices observed in different places, like different types of food, and that this theme-based attendance is the innovative idea used for revising the lesson. So it is a type of a revision related activity, and this theme-based attendance is the innovative idea which has a basic principles like while telling the attendance, while the teacher is taking the attendance, the student should not reply with the present ma'am or yes ma'am or yes sir. The rule in this or the concept of this theme based attendance is the student should reply the attendance with the lesson related or a subject related word which was given as the theme for the day on the day of attendance. By doing this theme based attendance activity, we can revise and we can recapitalize the entire activities, which entire lesson which we have taught in the lesson, and the concept which covers using this innovative ideas in this Food We Eat lesson is like a food plant from food, food from plant, and the food from animal, and the different types of eating practices like food practices in the different places. So these are the most important concept covered in this lesson through this innovative ideas. The pre-preparation for this revision activity, this theme based attendance, is we are going to use our blackboard. As a teacher, we are going to use our blackboard before this theme based attendance, and we are going to write it out the different types of food like a kheer, tulsi, or a dal, rice, chapati or roti, and different types of food items will be written on the board as the pre-prepared activity, and we are going to take an attendance with the students. While taking the attendance, this is the revision activity. So previous day itself or previous 1 or 2 days back, we will be teaching the entire lessons to the students, and then we are revising this lesson with the students through this theme based activity, theme based attendance activity. This lesson, this Food We Eat, is the lesson which entirely covers and describes about the different types of eating practices, food practices, and different types of foods followed in different types of places. So food is the main concept over here, and the food items was already written in the blackboard. While taking the attendance, as per the theme based attendance activities procedures and the process, the student should not reply yes or present to the teachers. Instead, they have to tell the words related to the lesson. So we have already wrote the words in the blackboard, and the students should make connect with the blackboard. So the teacher tells that I'll be taking your attendance, and each one while answering attendance, they have to get up and they have to pick one food item in that board, and they have to tell, for example, kheer. It means it is from the plant. Like kheer, it is a collection of dal and it was made from sweets and everything. Sugar is also from a plant. Kheer, the dal is also from the plant, and the milk was collected. Milk or the adults are collected from the plant or from animals. What are the major ingredient? It is from plant. So the student should describe that this is a food from plant, and the another student, while you are taking the attendance for the next student's name, the student should get up and they have to pick some other food item in the board, and they have to tell. If it is a milk, the student should tell cow milk. Cow milk is taken from animal, it is a food from animal. So if it is a meat, it is a food from animal, or it is a rice or dal, it is from the plant. Likewise, teachers have listed, we as a teachers, we are listing the too many food items in the blackboard, and the student should pick any of the food item, and they have to tell where it is from, either it is a food from plant or the food from animal. And this connects the student, this explains the students about the food from plants and the food from animals, and it shows the differentiation between the the different types of food and eating practices we made. Now we are taking the attendance. This is the procedure we are going to follow. While taking the attendance, we are calling the first name of the student. The student will be getting up and they will be choosing or picking one food item in the board, and the students will be replying. As an example, we are telling Abhishek. For an example, we are telling a student 1 starts with the A letter as the attendance call, roll call, and the student should get up and he have to pick one word from the table, from the board, and the word is cow milk. So the student 1 will tell the attendance like cow milk, and it is the food from animal. And the next student get up and the mentioned is watermelon, and the student will pick the word watermelon, and the student will tell the attendance that it is a food from plant. By this way, we have taught the lesson previously, and through this theme based attendance activity we can make the students to revise the things which connected in the lessons, like the food items displaying in the blackboard, and making the students to connect with the lesson and tell the attendance. By this type of activities we are connecting this theme based attendance to the food we eat lesson. And more about this type of innovations, you can go through our YouTube channel ZIIEI, and you can see the different type of innovative ideas using in lesson. Kindly like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.